In this tutorial, we're going to cover the placeholder chips and the worker quick add function in Rivet. This workflow is available from the roster board view as well as the jobs schedule view. Here we're going to focus on the roster board. If you hover next to the role you're looking to add a placeholder chip to, the Add Placeholder button will appear. Now you have two options. You can click Add Placeholder, and this is going to add a single placeholder under that role, and that placeholder is going to inherit the default schedule of this job, and it's going to stay on this job until the job ends or until you reschedule it. Your second option is to click the drop-down arrow. Here, you are afforded more customization over the placeholder chip or chips you're adding to the job. In this modal, you're able to select different roles for multiple placeholder chips simultaneously and customize the duration these placeholder chips are attached to the job. Now when you click on a placeholder chip, you'll get the option to fill this labor request with any worker from your organization. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.